children, today we are going to start with chapter 2, that is birth of babies. So in this chapter we will study about how a baby grow inside the mother's womb, and animals and their young ones, fish and their eggs, and amphibians and their young ones. So all living things give birth to their young ones. They they species can continue to exist. This process को हम क्या कहते हैं? Reproduction. Human being, animals, birds, fish and even insects, they reproduce in different ways. Some give birth to babies, कुछ birth देते हैं babies को, other lays eggs and some hatch them into their young one. ये क्या ensure करता है? The survival of their species for future generation. Right? Now how a baby grow inside the mother womb? मदर के वॉर्म के अंदर कैसे बेबी ग्रो करता है? A baby grows inside the mother womb after fertilization. Mother carries the baby in their womb for about 9 months. During this time, baby grows from a tiny cell into a fully developed human body. A baby inside the womb is connected to mother through an organ called placenta, जो किसमें हेल्प करता है? ट्रांसफर करता है न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ऑक्सीजन एंड वाटर फ्रॉम द मदर्स body to the baby. The baby is surrounded by a fluid called amniotic fluid which protect it from any harm. जो umbilical cord होती है वो किसकी तरह एक्ट करती है? एज अ ट्यूब, जो क्या रिमूव करती है? वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडीज बेबीज बॉडी. व्हेन द बेबी इज फुल्ली ग्रोन, मदर गिव्स बर्थ एंड बेबी एंटर्स द वर्ल्ड. राइट? देन एनिमल्स एंड देयर यंग वन, जस्ट लाइक ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, जैसे हम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स हैं ऐसी जो एनिमल्स है, दे आल्सो गिव बर्थ टू देयर यंग वन एंड ले एग. Different types of animals have different ways of reproducing. Some animals give birth to babies while some lay eggs and which later hatched into younger. Mammals are animals that give birth to live babies. They feed their young ones with their own milk. For example of mammals, जिसमें आपके dog, cat, cow, elephant and human सब included है. Mammals की हम बात करें, मदर टेक अ ग्रेट केयर ऑफ द बेबीज एंड प्रोटेक्ट देम अंटिल दे ग्रो स्ट्रॉन्ग. और कब तक प्रोटेक्ट करती है? जब तक वो स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रोथ ना कर जाए. बर्ड्स डू नॉट गिव बर्थ टू babies, they lay eggs. The mother bird keeps the egg warm by sitting on them. After a few days, baby birds hatch from the egg, and the mother and father birds feed and take care of the young ones until they are strong enough to fly. Fish and their eggs. So fish lay thousands of eggs in water. Since many eggs are eaten by other sea creatures, only few has into the fish body. जो fish egg है उसको parent की need नहीं होती है, right? वो warm रखता है by keeping safe until they hatch. One hatched, the baby fish called fry grow up on its own. Amphibians and their young ones. Amphibians क्या होते हैं? वो animals होते हैं that live both on land and on in water. इसमें frogs और salamander होते हैं. They lay egg in water and these egg hatch into young one, जिसे हम tadpole कहते हैं. ये different रखते हैं from adult frog. देखो, ये आपका tadpole हो गया, फिर tadpole with leg, young frog, adult frog, और ये आपका egg mass हो. They have tail and breathe through gills. Tail होती है और जैसे fish breathe करती है ना गिल से, ऐसे ये breathe करते हैं. Over the time they grow legs and lose their tail, and the group of egg laid by the fish, frog, and other amphibians are soft, jelly-like, and many eggs do not survive because why? क्यों नहीं survive करते ज़्यादातर है? क्योंकि उनको कौन खा लेता है? Animals. And the surviving eggs hatch into young one, जो किसमें grow जाता है? Into adult animal. Reproduction जो है वो essential है process for the survival of all living. It ensures that new generation are born, keeping life going on the earth. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.